friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be doing the battery draining test in the POCO X3 device during the standby mode. So during this standby mode, I did use only single SIM throughout the time. And one more thing is that this is a test which I did in the initial days of using this smartphone. So there's not many applications installed in the phone right now. So this is a standby mode. I did not enable any Wi-Fi or any mobile data. So this is just to test how much the battery will be drained continuously when the phone is in ideal state. The phone POCO X3 came out of the box with the MIUI 12 latest version. So let's see friends, in the standby mode how much the battery backup got drained in the POCO X3 device. I have taken the few of the screenshots of this POCO X3 device, and upcoming videos I'll be definitely doing on the battery drain test while playing PUBG game. So these are my upcoming videos, so make sure to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. And in case if you want to know more details about the POCO X3 smartphone, do check the playlist of the POCO X3. So there you can find different videos regarding the POCO X3. So where the phone actually supports the 4G plus, and there are so many things you need to know regarding this phone. So before buying the device, so it is the first screenshot which I have taken as you can see at the night time. So 12:15 AM you can see the time, and here you can see the battery percentage as well, 93% clearly you can see here. And early morning I woke up at around 6 o'clock and I took the screenshot. You can see the battery percentage 92%. So for 6 hours the battery was drained only 1% in the standby mode. So I'm saying again friends, I did not enable any Wi-Fi, any mobile data, no GPS, nothing was turned on. So just only a single SIM card cellular network has been connected continuously, but no data has been enabled. So this is another screenshot which I have taken in the evening time around 3:46 PM. The battery dropped to the 90%. So overall, in the first cycle, I tested for about 6 hours, 1%, and in the next cycle for about 9 hours, the battery got dropped by 2%. So overall, friends, if you combine both all these screenshots, total time about I think close to 9 plus 6, so 15 hours of continuously in the ideal state. The battery got dropped by 3% from the beginning to end, as you can see here, for 15 hours. So just imagine for one day, 24 hours, maybe the battery can drop close to 5 to 7%. There can be decrease in terms of the battery during the standby mode in the ideal state. So that is without using anything in the phone. So this is a battery drain test of this POCO X3 device, and make sure to subscribe to my channel friends. In the upcoming video I'll be posting on the PUBG battery drain test while playing in this phone. And thank you for watching this video. For more details, make sure to check the links in description, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.